Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Audi A6 versus Civic Turbo. We'll explore how these two distinct vehicles cater to different drivers, from their core design philosophies to their everyday practicality. Understand which car aligns best with your driving needs and lifestyle. We'll cover everything from performance to interior comfort, helping you make an informed decision. When it comes to performance, the Audi A6 delivers a refined and powerful driving experience, often with a smooth automatic transmission. Its engines provide robust acceleration and a comfortable ride. The Civic Turbo, on the other hand, focuses on agile handling and a responsive, turbocharged engine, making it a fun and engaging car for daily commutes and spirited drives. Inside, the Audi A6 showcases German engineering with premium leather, sophisticated trim, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system featuring large displays. It prioritizes comfort and elegance. The Civic Turbo offers a more contemporary and sporty interior, emphasizing ergonomics and user-friendly technology, including a touchscreen display and smartphone integration. Both provide a comfortable driving environment. Ultimately, choosing between the Audi A6 and the Civic Turbo depends on your priorities. The A6 offers unparalleled luxury, advanced features, and a premium driving experience, while the Civic Turbo provides an economical, fun, and reliable option for everyday use. Consider your budget, desired features, and driving style. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.